exhausted. Even a short walk exhausted him. I must get some sleep. I'm exhausted. Bored. The boy was getting bored. We are bored with his endless talk. Curious. I'm curious to know more about the cells. They were curious to know who won the game. Lazy. He felt too lazy to get out of bed. He had grown lazy and fat. Shocked. Local community was shocked by the murders. I am shocked by the atrocity of this man's crimes. Stress. Stress is a major problem of modern life. The examination put a lot of stress on him. Energetic. The elderly man is quite energetic. He is an energetic boy. He enjoys sports. Guilty. The jury found the prisoner guilty. I feel really guilty at forgetting her birthday again. Scared. I was scared by the big snake. She's scared of men with big beards. Annoyed. His brash answers annoyed the interviewers. It annoyed me to be kept waiting so long. Proud. He is as proud as a lawyer. They were proud of their children's achievements. Furious. I was furious when he crashed my car. I was late, and he was furious with me. Cold. I'm cold. Turn the heating up. The little dog fears cold water. Jealous. Why are you so jealous of her success? I could almost imagine you were jealous. Angry. I've never seen her look so angry. He was angry that I had forgotten his birthday. Hot. Hot. The weather is too hot. I like a hot, milky drink at bedtime. Ashamed. He was ashamed of her children's behavior. You've got nothing to be ashamed of. Thirsty. I'm so thirsty. I'm almost dying for a cuppa. Drink whenever you feel thirsty during exercise. Shy. She's very shy with adults. As a teenager, I was painfully shy. Disappoint. I'm sorry to disappoint your expectation. Please don't disappoint me. Confuse. I always confuse to solve maths. Don't confuse Austria with Australia. Happy. She is truly happy who makes others happy. Life's too short to be anything but happy. Excitement. Her face flamed with excitement. Excitement was shining in her eyes. Sick. The sick girl picked at the blanket. The very thought of it makes me feel sick. Sleepy. I felt so sleepy, I couldn't stop yawning. The drone of his voice made me feel sleepy. Sad. We all felt sad about his death. This music always makes me sad.